little champs, Bubu is here to tell you a story about unity is strength. So once there was a school where a lot of students used to study, but they all were very naughty and they always had a fight with each other. They didn't cooperate with each other and always argued with everyone. Their teacher was always worried about their students. One day, she decided to teach them a lesson. So the teacher designed a test for everyone. But she told the student that if any single student got failed in the test, so all the class would be punished. After hearing this, all the students were worried. They all started having a discussion to what to do because some students were not good in science subject, some were not good in math subject, so they got an idea to have a group study and help each other so that everyone could get good enough marks and got passed in the test. So they spent their days in helping each other and having a group study. When the test day arrived, everyone was very happy because they all were able to give the test, and finally, when the result day arrived, the teacher announced that everyone has got A+ marks. And that made everyone happy. So the teacher told them that they all have to always help each other. Because if they all are always all together, so they can do anything in the world and they can conquer anything what they want in their life. So kids, it is always a good saying that unity is a strength. Hi champs, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this story and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.